Ebusian for aha Ghana Sem TV GH. Mesra or like, a comment, subscribe, turn your notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, you will be notified. Ebusian for Nena Janet Nabla, Eddie Madrian Kobe Bisu. Munim say, Siansha Bibi here. A bit Nachi John Mahama, His Excellency or US. Yeah. He can be arrested. Our president can be arrested. Now, Munim said Donald Trump, our body on Tijai. On Bubia. Or be out to make a time Venezuela for Oman Or be out to make a Iran for supreme leader. Then on Timini. And the issue is simple. You have no different facets of terrorism. I'm going to say environmental terrorism is also one of them. Yeah. Now, I also say, galamsey no. It can be classified under environmental terrorism. Because sa galamsey ana for cancer. Most of the areas are galamsey cause one. Most of them reporting cancers and all manner of illnesses, and it can be considered as a crime against humanity. Now, if it can be considered as a crime against humanity, let's say, who is in charge? Who is responsible for what is happening? That is the next question. So that question there, NDC for now, Omama ya answer. Omama ya answer no didada when they were in opposition. See, the bus stops with the president. And say omampeni mo hona sani ama nyina ikoso no kire say omampeni no ene masa go ahead for that to happen. At the end of Janet Nabla say yes, John Mahama is His Excellency is responsible for galamsey, any galamsey related activities ikoso or mine. Who am I to disagree with her? Secondly, the president himself, John Mahama ankasa abeka kire say enukronya minim ni party for na galamsey. Etin sema muka se na ye MPP for na ye galamsey no na omubwa. And the president mbe ka kire say any party NDC for na ye galamsey na. Then what it means ni say who are we leader of NDC because NDC is in power. And I'm sure say per omu constitution no whenever they are in power the president becomes a de facto leader of the party. And it say NDC is in power. Kire say who John Mahama na we leader of NDC. So what J2 say we party for na galamsey, then who is the beneficiary? It is you, the leader of NDC. So with all these things, we say we beat me throw kind of saying a petition to UN. And after Ghana for multi US hold multi throw petition in 10 tema. Yeah, sure, yeah, baby someone penny send back you. Let's go and listen to what Janet Nabla had to say about terrorism in South America and the fact say John Mahama, His Excellency, can be arrested in the UN right now if care is not taken. I'll see you in the next one. Don't go anywhere. But before then, we shall for your studio contributions. No. Mumbai and number now screen as a kit to be answered. I must say, I'm wearing the beer. Cheers.
Ansana would ya US so anke. Minu kese galamsey. Galamsey is still going on in all the different constituencies, all districts. Children are dying as a result of cancer. Ayɛka mercury ne cyanide almost depositing into our various water bodies. Ayɛka about pregnant women losing their pregnancies because of almost friend is saying galamsey. Now we share slave trade and as galamsey nipa who call central region. A majority of them cannot get water to drink. Then you are going to UN to talk about slave trade. When your people are also under slavery and in your regime, who Prez Mahama
galamsey a crime against humanity.
Humanity and a young kasa Ayɛka about environmental terrorism. All galamseyers are environmental terrorists. And a one kasa amagana fuatia say it is your own party members who are part of this galamsey brouhaha. Now, sorry, you don't care about us, but you are going to US to go and talk about slave trade. What is the difference between those slaves and us? They were even far better. They were getting potable water to drink whilst working on plantations. Today, we are not even, we are on the plantation with dirty water. At the end of the day, you won't even get water to drink. Into President Mahama, do you fear him? Brawan kasa wujina way. I'm also even going to write to US to arrest you whilst you are there.
The US should arrest
the UN should arrest him for putting his own people under like depriving slavery whilst coming there to talk about a white man decent. Am I not, our people not slaves? They are enslaved with galamsey. Children are having cancers. Pregnant women are dying. Majority of Ghanaians only need potable water to drink. Then you are going where? You are now going to UN to talk about this in slave trade. Do you have the moral right to be able to talk about slave trade when you have kept your own people under slavery? To me, whatever President Mahama is doing there, it is hypocrisy. It is hypocrisy at its highest point. And I think at this particular moment, let's get serious.
Okay.
We don't have the right, no African leader has the right to point any finger to a white man when you are committing more atrocities to your people than even what the white man did. I don't think it is right.
Mr. Speaker, I am Janet, my name baby.
Market bia Nana do danko akufo do sibia mayen. We see agenda 111 ya mayen wiye. Ghana baby ebi wo ho kone ko wiye. Se we a politician na ohene no kasa asam no kire wa. Ese se otumi dwine se what disappoint ohene no. Anan sama wo ba kan no na ni anje ho. Enti ye de very clear. Say Prez Mahama de na wan hwe ne ye nguase a obenya this time around no ebechen 2016 de no because this time around all magana ni bia nchen say Santo Obama me biom ena ono so NDC lusu election emfa ne ho because we di ni de awie enti sa enka de oye de obi a dwene ho a onte ase ekuafo a sabi omikuta Ghana mu about 100 years ago free time atata kwase di koko ba Ghana ha ebe pim ne yante say aban bia ba say koko bua conform international market nti wati koko bua so na so Prez Mahama enko na tumi ayesa ade no se kuafo no so a na omudi o matem ena ya ebinum MPP for MPP ne sponsor o masa sa wo ye wo hwe videos ne na kuafo no de wi o mo ye na me papa ye koko kuani na sa kuani a babia wonya vote e free ye paaye sa kuafo na ne to abama ho because cocoa farmers all Ghana have by 2020 per the data no e kira wo say cocoa farmers be 70% at abama NDC sa wo hwe MPs na o mo represent to parliament na sa wo ko dwabo so any western north area mo ho a ya won 9 constituency na wo ho oho nyina o mu do cocoa 9 constituency ni nyina emu 8 at abama NDC ba ko pe na MPP win ye which is Swamai constituency Enyi NDC winnie ye, Daboso NDC winnie ye, Serioso NDC winnie, Bodi NDC winnie ye, Akontomra NDC winnie ye, Bia East NDC winnie ye, Bia West NDC winnie ye. Why winnie 8 out of 9 constituency a ye cocoa growing area. Actually, I will say, the Crofona wo send people na support omo no na to abama wo. Omo ene tumi eto abama wo. Enti se bibi ato omo no omo kan wa se twa ho na wo send di omo atan se MPP for na sponsor omo. Enti ya de mi se Prez Mahama de obefelisi se wo ye Ghana babunu me de ade ya me ya ye Ghana babunu a wako school. Babunu akọ school ebinum akuta first class ebinum ayo omo masters ebinum ayo doctors no multi social media ha say they are defending NDC omo ti ha say asam ba kwa metia na makoma etumi ya me yama emi hu ya me nya me hu say obi tumi ba na what this guys no so ye neutral no obi na no aka say NDC na pipi nyina ye pe Okasasa no when munyansa we yakwasia what do you see say NDC na pipi ye pe me say Ghana economy way what the enfant 1992 be pem ne MPP enya 16 years NDC enya 16 years omu 20 years no mu womi yamfa PNDC de na granka ho me enkrahana me tini nyini ye me nuaba me say senya their friends say George Kunkufo a enka me voter me hu double roader kam yenu nam ha na miensa na mo enkrahada apart from motorway me hu kwam bia on kran ha Since Tamakufo by 2000, so be say me boa one can't me. Say ye kwa one cry ha, come yen sanam ha, and I'm yen sasunam ha, obi can't me. Capital time I never been ho. In fact, every enkra kokumase na ye futu kwan. So kofo time no, akofo maaye no, so nsawo mu krampo, so kokumase a. Na so 1-2 anadwo be 12 o'clock a. So free enkra no pa, ana say wi a. Nsawo mu nko obetumi di be 3 hours our traffic mu. Nsawo he ya, obetumi spend be 3 hours. And so wetumi pie akopia drogere akọ. Wonu nko konso the same thing. President Kufo baye no and o started say derby. Capital time you be making sure say obeyi kwan no na emu atre. And o started free of ankoberi akwan. President Kufo na yiye eyi of ankoberi akwan. Look at the road that President Kufo here. Look at the capital intensive project that President Kufo here no enkra. Owie ye wodu ensam no davete nkwan no du ti adrogere and wo ye no double road o free eho ekokumase a wo ye kwan no double road sa kosi suhum and wo ye suhum overpass and this for e dia tro e kan ya ma wo ye to aba ma omo and this betuna so 8 years o man tumi anto aso until se nanado ba ye no na o free ha eko kumase a ensam to suhum no na ka no bonsa ho onipa tumi wu me kai pass na no bi na mi last bi na mi ko kumase na and this ba power na tama friend say I think 2010 more baby na me tika bi friend kingdom transport mu ko kumase mami ka no bonsa ho no na accident siama at friend say this heavy load trucks Kingdom transport car no baako wa Wi-Fi car no mu no maame bi ticket ma wa ntafo mienu omo ticket no mu no maame ne ba baako ti other side eno maame bi ana sister bi nso gi ne ba no baako on this side enti ne ba no baako wo bi nkyɛn wa ha eno no ankasa ne ba baako ti other side car no why car no mu mienu ama sister na oje maame ne ba no akwala no baako ewuye ne sister no ama mama ne baba ko pene kan nsam. I am very sad. And so when you now koso President Kufo e ba ye wa ye kwan we nko bi adwene se enka andi si betna so 8 years o man fa single quota and to aso. Na na do ba ye no to aso e ko pia pegwa. Asi akwa junction so wa davete kwan no a we yi kwan na wo yi no double road. A we yi kwan no ato enyina machi say nkokon so ye konongo so the same thing anka ban we beto aso no wo so agya no ato ho ababa ye express road akofa adeso na
obi anu si ma me why
entimidi manu si no wo ye babuno na uti Ghana ha party e betumi aba MPP esesen ke timi mo tena so che sanye ma pop Kigami etena Rwanda so ache na ne ye de Rwanda empo etwa Africa countries bi poa no ye man be transfer nche na ye transfer be 30 years 40 years ye yo man ye wi a na o matu ye free so na nka Ghana ni bie enya mfaso ene chefa na nka nyina eni age na nka akwantuo bebrebe a obi ko baabi YouTube panwati baabi na me video bi akwa bi se ntokasi o Israel wa shamnam ontumi mpie Ghana ni o Misramo we ya babuna na watu aba ma NDC a na wati trust we ni wo ma me for manusi na obi nso nto aso
Israel for wa alaikum salam Israel for asema wuke me kai se covid see ye the NDC for ye na na don ko fa China for ne abansa na we mo nko evacuate yo
yes yes me that say
yo water minister me that say